Hey, it's Noe with WTI, and I want to show you the cutest set of glassware. This is an 8-piece set from NETANY. It holds 16 ounces, hot or cold. I absolutely love that it has a beveled edge here around the edge. When I was looking for glasses, I was looking for tall, slender, sleek looking glasses because we live in a home that doesn't have very much cabinet space. So I wanted to fit in as much as possible. These fit all 8 in just fine and maybe even have room for more. But not only are these glasses super cute, they come with 8 glass straws. So super reusable, and they come with a glass straw cleaner so that when you're washing dishes, makes it very easy to clean the straw. And I love to use them for iced coffee, for iced water, beer, seltzer, cider, whatever your guests need. I can even make a fun mojito with the garnishes looking super cute, or a margarita. If you're like me, when we entertain, we tend to run through glasses very quickly. So this 8-piece set makes it very easy to be able to have enough on hand. I love it, and I think your guests will love it, and I think you'll love it too. And that's my point of view.